Okay, let us take this example. Kani. A plus B. So, it's 2 term. It's binomial. Pero ang iyang power is 4. So, it means ipa-expand. I-expand nato na siya to the 4th power. Taas na kayong panghitabuan na. So, ang ilang ingon, we can use the formula. Okay? Ano sa formula? Muna atong formula. Okay, kini di ay, by the way, this is n. Okay, n. And this one is n. Okay, so, kung 4 power, kung upat ka, 4 ang iyang exponent, meaning, you will have here 5 terms. Kay ang number of term is n. Atong n is 4 plus 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you will have there 5 terms. Okay? Now, you have to determine what is your first term. Sa isahon para di libog. Okay? First term. Kini. So, unsa ingon sa formula? Ang first term is narang formula. First term is x n. So, atong x here is, this is our x, and this is our y. So, our x here is a, tapos, ang power is n, 4. Okay? So, now, we already have first term, second term, wala pa, third term, wala pa sab, fourth term, wala pa sab, ang atong fifth na term, or ang last term, ang unsa ingon sa last term, based sa formula, last term is y, n. So, unsay atong y? Our y is b. So, atong fifth term is b to the power n. Okay?